Let's make this thing. And get yourself some dollar bills. Pizzam! That's what I'm talking about.
Hey.
I want to jump off the stage face first.
It's the classy Cheapskate, and today we're gonna make a money boa. It's kind of like a money leg. You can use a money boa for a graduation gift, a bachelor party. What else can you use it for?
Strip club.
No. I have notes, wait. Ooh, or a handy-dandy Halloween costume if you're gonna dress as a stripper. Okay, so this is an easy project, easy to follow along to. I'm gonna use 51 dollar bills, a 5-foot string. It can be a little longer. You might as well cut it a little longer if you want. Any string will work. Okay, I just cut this one off a tapestry. Scissors, almost hit my face. And clear tape.
Find the end of your string, just lay it out. Get your dollar bill, just one of them, with George facing you. Then simply fold your bill in half like this, okay, just on the one end. And then you're taking your string, sticking it down through there. Fold this right across the string, about 1/4 inch. Then grab a little piece of tape and use it to adhere the bill over the string. Now this is just going to move right around, adding motion, and all of the bills can face different directions when this money bow is complete. Okay, so we don't want this falling off of the string, so you're gonna have to take the end up around and tie it right up here, okay? Just cut the excess string off. Okay, let's move on to the next bill. So this is the end. I don't really like how it's upside down, like if this is the end of the boa, so I'm gonna actually flip it. To do that, I'm just gonna remove the tape. It's okay to screw up. At least I'm learning, and you guys can see not to do that. Okay, so if this is the end of the boa, I want it, see, I want Georgie Washington to face like this way. So I'll just stick it right back through here. Yeah, if you screw up any of your directions, you can just redo it. Okay, yeah, now I'm happy. Yeah. Okay, next bill. You can switch sides during it. Like you can fold this side or you can fold this side. If you want them all to be the same, then just stick with one side, but I'm gonna switch it up. Maybe I don't want to switch it up. Maybe I do. I don't know. Okay, so you're going to continue this the whole way. So that's going to be 50 bills, and it's like not going to take more than 50 bills to fill this up because every one's like 1 inch long here on the string. So once you get 25 done, then you're going to want to get the other end of the string, okay, and start from this end, because if you just keep continuing in this manner the whole way, then your bills on this end are going to be upside down because you wear a boa around your neck, and so it's like a big U, the string. So these bills are facing downward. Well, so you're gonna, after 25 bills, you're gonna have to start on this side and do a 25 going, you know, up this way now. Okay, so when you do this end, don't tie it off yet because you don't know how long of a string this is really going to be yet, because I cut mine a little longer than necessary, a little longer than 5 feet. So we'll just leave that and continue on, and then I'll tie it at the end. Okay, that fit perfect, so definitely cut your string a little more than 5 feet, maybe longer, depending on how you fold your bills. Okay, so I'm just going to tie this end right up to there, and then we'll look at the final product. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like on this boa. Ooh, what does it look like?
It looks good.
Hi. Ooh.
Wow.
What is it like?
Battery's almost dead.
What?
A battery light's blinking.
Oh no! Wow, this is long. That's what she said. So yeah, they flip all over the place. And you know what is awesome about this boa way? You could like make all the bills face the same direction and use it as party garland. Like if you're having a bachelor party or a bachelorette or whatever, you can like use it as garland to decorate the party. Look. Alright?
And then the stripper walks in.
And then if you win at a game, somebody comes up and they take one off and keep it. Okay, so this is the easy version of the money boa. If you want to see a more advanced version, I hope to have a video put on real soon. This is the fluffy boa. Okay, now next I'm going to do the more condensed boa. Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate. See you next time. I feel like I have a bump on my head.
Don't
oh my god!
Did you just cut your hair with them scissors?
No! There was a spider on my head today. I think it bit me.
Are you going to turn into Spider-Woman?
Oh my god.
Is your spider sense tingling?
I think I'm gonna die.
Is this going to be in the video?
I was looking at my car door and I saw this bug or something on my head. It was big. I thought, because I think it was a spider.
Now you're making me itchy.
And then I went like this and it flew off and I think it bit me.
I can't wait till you get your superpowers.
Did I finish the video? Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate. Itch, itch. That's not gonna be in it.
Why?
Don't forget to subscribe. Or not. Hey, I got lots of other videos making lays and stuff. Check it out.